It is very important to read and understand all safety-related materials supplied by Torch-Rite Solutions and its suppliers before using the safety torch system. The safety torch system must be handled by a fully trained torch operator who understands the proper torch and gas safety requirements outlined by local, provincial, state, and federal guidelines, regulations, and laws. Once you finish setting up the safety torch system, slide a fully charged 18-volt Milwaukee battery into the battery mount at the bottom of the safety torch enclosure. As the battery voltage gets low, the system will shut off automatically, indicating that the battery requires recharging. Twist to release the emergency stop. This will energize the enclosure. By pulling and releasing the trigger, the green light on the enclosure will turn on and off, indicating that the system is active and ready to use. Open the valves on the cylinders and adjust the regulators to the required working pressure. Do not set the oxygen pressure to more than 60 psi or the fuel pressure to more than 15 psi, as this is a critical life safety hazard. Refer to the safety instructions. Now pull the trigger on the safety torch handle to pressurize the hoses. The red lights on the enclosure will turn on when there is oxygen and fuel line pressure. Pull and hold the trigger and then follow the normal torch operating procedures to light and operate the torch as per the manufacturer's instructions. You are now ready for cutting and welding operations. Notice when the trigger is released how quickly the flame goes out. At this point, the torch can no longer be reignited as the hoses are purged of remaining pressurized gases. Once the work is done, shut off all supply gases from the cylinders or manifold. With the torch handle valves still open, pull the trigger until the red lights turn off, indicating that the entire system is now purged and rendered safe. Then close the valves on the torch handle.